Hey everybody, I'm Jerry with atbbq.com, and today we're going to show you how to identify the thermocouple in your Yoder Smokers pellet grill. All non-ACS controller grills will have a long thermocouple usually found on the back wall of the cooker. All ACS controlled grills will have a shorter thermocouple on the side wall. Let's go through the menu and determine which thermocouple you need. For those of you with an ACS controlled thermocouple on the side wall, we're going to show you how to go through the menu and determine what you need. First, we'll want to turn the power on to the grill. Then we're going to choose the menu button. Now after that, we're going to scroll down to About and push the center button. In order to determine which thermocouple you have, you need firmware version 1.0.43 or higher. Assuming you have the correct firmware, you will scroll all the way down to the bottom where you will see which type thermocouple probe you have. You'll either see a PT1000 or a Type J thermocouple. So to sum it up, if you have a long thermocouple on the back wall, you'll want to order the long thermocouple. If you have a short thermocouple on the side wall, you'll want to go through the steps that we've shown you to determine which thermocouple you need to order. To order your thermocouple, check us out at atbbq.com.